In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up TradingView TJR. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the TJR script and place it on your chart so you can start analyzing with confidence. Begin with your chart open on TradingView. This can be any market or time frame you prefer: stocks, crypto, forex, it's up to you. Having the chart visible ensures you can immediately see the indicator as soon as you add it. Next, look toward the top of the platform and click the Indicators button. Depending on your screen size, it may appear as Indicators or Indicators and Strategies, but it's the same place. This opens a panel where all built-in indicators, community scripts, and your favorites are listed. In the search box that appears, type TJR. As you type, TradingView will filter results in real time. You'll likely see a few options in the list, which might include different versions or variations of TJR scripts. This is normal, since many creators share their own approaches or improvements. Take a moment to read the titles and short descriptions so you can identify the one that best matches what you're looking for. You might notice author names or categories that help you narrow it down. Once you've spotted the TJR script you want, add the TJR script to your chart. To do that, click Use on Chart on the TJR script you want. TradingView will immediately apply it to the active chart without needing to refresh or leave the page. If you don't see it right away, glance at the top left corner of the chart for the indicator label to confirm it was added. The indicator will now appear overlaid or below your price chart. If it's an overlay type, expect lines, signals, or markings to appear directly on the candlesticks. If it's a separate indicator, you'll see a new panel appear beneath the price, showing its own scale and plots. Both are normal. Different scripts are designed to display in different places, depending on what they measure. From here, take a moment to observe how the plots respond to price movement, and how the visuals align with your trading style. If the chart looks crowded, you can zoom in, change timeframes, or reduce on-screen drawings so the TJR outputs stand out more clearly. And if you ever choose a different version from the list, simply repeat the same process and select the variation that fits your workflow. That's it. You've opened your chart, accessed indicators, searched for TJR, reviewed the options, clicked Use on Chart, and confirmed the TJR script is now visible either on or beneath your price chart.